I Archana Oinam, I English ki Ozan. Hello students, today we are going to do lesson number 2 from your supplementary textbook. Supplementary textbook lesson number 2. Lesson number 1 we had a clever woman, a Manipuri folktale, and in lesson number 2 we are going to learn about Kakhui Gai, a Kabui folktale. Kabui folktale amamung tausi by the name of Kakhui Gai. Now Kakhui Gai is also another interesting Kabui folktale. Let us see how the story goes. Once upon a time in a lonely village, population there lived a pregnant woman. Unfortunately, her husband died. And so what? The pregnant woman had to suffer lots of hardships. She had to work hard to earn her own livelihood. It may be firewood, it may be food, it may be anything. She had to work very hard. One day, with a sham on her head, sham kokta hapaga put arumba pubu to koi chingmi ichini now mayamna ko. Aduguma shamma pairaga, makokta hapaga. One day with a sham on her head, she was searching for firewood. Ma sing tibetlameba. As she entered inside the jungle, she was searching for firewood. What happened? She made a python. Python a huge, a big snake, a big python. She did not run. What did she do? She stood there in front of the python. The python looked at her. Both of them looked at one another, but none attacked. Python attack Python Why? Because the woman could not fight. She was not in a position to fight the python. Situation. So she stood there for at least 5-10 minutes. And then at last, she pleaded. Request she kneeled down and then she requested with joined hands to the python. Let me deliver a son. And I will name him Kakhui Gai. And when he grows up, he will come to fight you. But for now, situation I cannot fight you. Let me bear a son. And then when time comes, I will send my son to you to fight. If you can, please wait till that. The python, he had no choice. The python agreed. And then the python decided to wait for the right time. The python wanted to see whether the woman, that widow, a woman who has lost her husband, whether that widow would keep her words. Then, when the python agreed, The widow folded a piece of cloth and gave it to the python to raise its head. The python was going to wait for a very long time. She folded a piece of cloth carefully, neatly, and then she placed it on the python's head. Python like a pillow. So that you rest here. And you wait for the time. And then the woman left for her home. In this way, the woman went back. The python was there, waiting for the time to come. In the meantime, the woman was a very clever one. She would go in between days to check on the python. Daily she would go like alone, because she wouldn't let anyone know. And every time the python was there. Python the man ajat kuding mana thamamba phiduda mamon makuk nga aga the python was there every time she went sleeping, keeping its head on the piece of cloth placed by her. Mana thamamba phi machetuda makuk to thamaga tumaga ngairaga leirameba. Then days passed, days turned into month. Tha suzale machanupa amapue. Machanupa du maming kari kauhiba kakhuikai. Kakhuikai kaure ko. When her son was born, mahaki machase popakanda, again the woman went to look for the python. Machase po omatung the chaure ngano thama ni humari mangataru. In between this month, she used to go and look if the python was still waiting. Python every time she went, the python was still the python was there. Python se. Now, Kakhui guy, he was born, he grew up into a child. As days passed, as years passed, Kakhui guy was now grown up into a very strong young man. Matam haubaga loina na Kakhui guy si angang oirambadagi chaukhale pakhang phagale hojikti pakhang macha ko yang lawba masa mau phaba sak matau phazaraba nupa macha ama oina masa zik chaureba. Kakhui guy was now a very strong young man. Now, ultimately, the woman had to keep her words. She decided, now it is time that I send my son. Where? To the python. Python to the python. But being a very clever woman, she decided not to send her son alone. What did she do? She started making arrangements. Kari arranged Taurami. At first, she was going to request all the elders, all the men of the village to go with her son. Mahaki machasiga kungang du dalairiba nupasing hanuhana akang hai loina magmai machasiga chatmi no haidana haina bagita bagta. She started brewing wine. Wine she was going to offer it to the men and to all the folks of the village. Kungang do the lairiba ahan mayam, nupa mayam, naha mayam do they do the adagi wine to offer tauraga, agi ichasiga chatmina biuna, haidana mana, adugi request to bagita makta. She started brewing wine, and then she collected the wine, and then she went to the village folks, the village elders, and then requested to go and to send some strong young man with Kakhui guy to the python. Komana wine do puraga magi kaino du kari machasi ga python du manak ta chatna ba haidana mana khungang du da leiba hanlaman akhang ahai mayam ki manak ta mana wine do mana thamuraga offer tawruraga request to zarure ko tawruraba matam sidai sida all of them agreed makul loina mak na yare. And then another arrangement started. A top arrangement a feast was prepared. Like a grand feast. Lots of eatables, lots of offerings were to be made to the python. They started cooking. Kari kari thongba hore for the python. What were the things that they started preparing for the python? Crushed ginger, sprouted paddy, herbs, wine, kwa crushed ginger sing asuba, sprouted paddy, kwa mayon chungabal pau, kwa adagi the herbs manama sing yam, again wine haraga de koi meteron the haraga de you, kwa adu mayam do sungba hore. Smain tawdana si mayam samana semba hore. They started, the whole village started preparing all these things to be offered to the python. Collected all the things, all the villagers along with Kakhuigai, they went to the python. Python dugi manakta mo loina magchatla meba. And then they offered it to the python. Python to the piram meba. How was the offering met? Offering to kamain tawrami. They spreaded a large piece of white cloth over the head of the python. Python dugi makuk mathak to the moina pi angoba pak pa ama makoina sandoga thaname. And then, they offered all the things and they pleaded. Python to the kutlonaraga haizarameb. They offered all the things, then they pleaded, they requested to the python. What did they request? Kadinomonya request taurida. Oh python, please lead me home. Makoi lo na magna makoi kakoi gaina ne number 1 da mana makok jingaga Akoi say yumlom da amta sigi mayam katliba mayam say please accept all this that I am offering, that we are offering. Akoi na offer to riba loina magse lobiro and please lead us home. Akoi bu yum mai kaita yumlom da amta lamjing bi ba haiden haire. The python raised its head. Magi makok to thangatlaga. He led Kakhuigai and his mother out of the jungle. Ko jungle dugi kahitare jungle dugi outskirt mapan lomda. Kakhuigai ga mahaki mamaga se puthoreba. So the python led Kakhuigai, his mother, and the other villagers outside of the jungle to the outskirt. Outskirt londa makhoi se puthopire. When they reached the outskirt, matai the Europe matamda, the python showed Kakhuigai and his mother the Pakang Pan and the Laisa Pan. Pan anikak, there was 2 wooden stool placed there. Nicely, yam phazaba stool anika pan adi stool phamba yabdo adugumba phazaba ugi pan anika killaga thaname. One was the Laisa Pan, the other was the Pakang Pan. The Pakang Pan was meant for unmarried males or unmarried men. Pakang luhong driba mayumakai pan driba Pakang sing na phamgadaba panama somna kandana lashabi mayumakai pan dribi nupina phamgadaba panama admai tawduna pan ani leirame. Initiating the rites means now the offerings had been made. They were going to receive the offering, and for that the python took them out. Sagi makoise tongana kungangi mapa jungle dugi forest dugi mapalom the tholaktra. They were outside in the outskirts of the jungle. Jungle dugi outskirts the laire, and they were about to start a religious ceremony. Religious ceremony ma horam dagi python duna kaidora. The python started. What did the python do? The python placed its head on the block of wood. Ngasagi thammiba pan ani de matakta python duna bhaki makok to thammeba. At that moment, Kakhuigai, when he saw the python placing his head on the block of wood, lifted the python's head. Python de mangak to thangalami with the help of a tongue. Chegap amana chapaga mangak to thangalami and asked the python to show him. Python to the man hangi, light to the hangi. Show me. Udlo kadai, where shall I give you the blow? Aina kadai the ka uge nanginangak se haidana mana python to the hangame. And then at that moment, the python showed the spot. Sigi jagas the ka o haidana Kakhuigai the utlame. And in this way, Kakhuigai beheaded the python mana jagada ubadagi mapa chana ka aga mana python do hatlame ko manga ka amme behead tawrame. And not only did he beheaded the python, he also splitted the belly of the python in the middle. And what did Kakhuigai found? He found a magic box, mana manungda box ama magic puama mana pangame and man laurame ado, and the head of the python he brought it with him. And what about the other parts of the python? The long parts of the python was cut into 7 parts by Kakhuigai. Kakhuigai na matut tare thok na khaidatle, and it was distributed to the entire village. Kokhungang du loi na magta yele, And they had a very wonderful feast out of the python. Lairin the mokoi meam na phajana thongaga mokoi meam chaminare. They enjoyed yam nungai na mokoi na matam se mokoi na merry making tore ko yam nungai re. They had killed the python. Kakui had killed the python. Kakui na python do hardly had na mokoi harau re. And the head of the python was hung in the entrance, the threshold of Kakui Kakui gi mayumda maki thonganda python do gi makok to yalaga thameb. And in this way, Kakui had killed the python. Now he had got the magic box. Magic box sam suphangedana. With that magic box, Kakui grew richer and richer day by day. Masai magic box suphangan masa noma inak sum khungale. He became a very wealthy man. Yam inak khunba wealthy inak khunba nupa amu oire. He even married the chief's daughter, the daughter of the village chiefs. Ko khungang dugi chief dugi kulak pada adugi machanu pipo mahana luhonga me, and they were very happy. They had a son by the name of Galsangsang. Ko Galsangsang ko ba machanu pa mapu ame. Kakui had led a very happy life. Yamna nungai pa mapunsi mamahinge. Ko with the help of that magic box. But as time passed, matam hogi bagaloina na, his clever mother died. Mahaki Mushiraba Singaba Mahaki Mamado laikidre, sikre. Ko then Kakui continued his life. Komhaki mapunsida. Summana no ina kungalakpa. He was becoming wealthier day by day. And as a result, and because of that, aduna maram oiraga, that magic box became an object of envy. Mi na kalak na ba box oirameba. His relatives wanted that box. Mahaki mari matana box to pamame. And so what did they do? They poisoned his food. They tried to kill Kakui and his family. They poisoned his food. Mahaki chana bada makoina hu hapchilame. And because of that, the whole family fell sick. Kakui his wife and his son, Galsangsang, they fell sick and they died. Makoi sire, naraga makoi shigre. And what about the magic box? The magic box, the relatives fought for ownership. Aigini in a magic box to makoi masen munare. And in the course of this argument, what happened? The magic box fell into the ground, and it broke into pieces. Atuga machet kairaga magic box to mangreba. Kakui is dead, the magic box is gone, the python is gone, his mother is gone. So in this way, we have seen another beautiful folk tale from another beautiful Kabui folk tale, Kakui. So what does it tell us? It tells us that we should not be greedy. We should learn how to respect others. We should give due respect to others. We should share our things with others, and we should also remember how others have helped us. Karam chawba mi ma oiroidabani ko akoigi mateng akoida mateng pangakhiba mi sings akoina kawroidabani aduga akoina yariba makai akoigi leijabase akoina okna naba leiraga lore. We should share ko akoina sharing toba haigadabani ko. This is what we learn from this folktale. Sigi folktales da akoina tamba yaba para haragadi sigi lessons ni ko. So remember, we should not be greedy. Akoyam karam chawba oiroisi ko. Anything in excessive is not good. Kahena leiba, kahena kapamba, kahena kalakpa haibise, masipatabani ko. So my dear students, with this lesson, as I have told you, please look up the exercises, look up the fill in the blanks, and try to complete it as you read the lesson, as you listen to the session, read the lesson and do the exercises. This will be very helpful to you, and this will make you understand passages, passage, any unseen passages that are given to you. Any passage saying, Sumaina, I give session to Tabiro, like to suit Pabiro, Manning de Yauba Bayamda, to some try to view question answers me Yawudo. There are very short ones, Atina Mayam Yawudo. Pabagat Tabaga Aduta, home to Punjela di. It will be very helpful to you now and in your future also. Tung the Syong Kanani, Hosik Sukanagani.